got this document that I'm working with, and I want to add a watermark because it's being sent out for ARC readers and stuff like that. Pretty easy to do in Word. You go to your Design tab, and then you've got this option right here, Watermark. Click on that. You've got some pre-populated ones, so if you want to go confidential or do not copy, in this case this is a sample version, so if I click on sample, you can see right there it adds sample. Notice what it didn't do though, it just did the first 2 pages and not the whole thing. This is because I've got it split. Notice my page 1 comes here too, so if that happens, just click on that page where it didn't add the watermark, click on it, hit it again, and it will then add it to the rest of the document. So I'm going to Control Z here to undo that. And if you want to do a custom one, you've got these custom ones right here. You can do a text. So for example, maybe I just want to do ARC readers. You can change the font and the size if you want. Hit OK. Same thing. It looks exactly the same as the rest. This time it did add it to all of them. Control Z. Last one you can do if you want with a custom is a picture watermark. It can be whatever you want it to be. I'm just going to use the part of the cover for the book, but you can go select picture. You can even do from search if you want, but I'm going to go grab a file from my desktop and just grab the image for the book cover. Notice you've got this option here of scale and washout. Washout will make it look kind of like faded like it was before. If you uncheck that, it won't. I want it washed out so that way people can still actually see the text in front of it. And that's it. It's pretty quick and easy to add watermarks in Microsoft Word.